Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your currency on Cobo Wallet application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open Cobo Wallet application from your app drawer and make sure to log into your account. Once you're signed in, tap on the Me button located at the bottom right hand corner. Now from the menu displayed on the screen, tap on Settings and tap on Currency. You can now select the currency of your choice from the list given. And there you have successfully selected a different currency for your wallet. So that is how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.